ladies and gentlemen. Today in this video we will find out how to use Mailchimp effectively to grow your blog and business. This video tutorial will take you by the hand and get you up and running in no time if you are just starting out with email marketing. And even if you are already an intermediate or expert Mailchimp user, you should still find some secret tips and tricks, examples and best practices about your favorite email marketing provider. Before getting started, let's find out, why do you even need an email list? According to the Direct Marketing Association, email marketing on average sees a 4,300% return on investment for businesses in the USA. Because email subscribers joined your email list from your website and verified their identity by clicking on a link, double opt-in, they are extremely interested in what you have to offer. This is why they are more likely to convert into paying customers. In our business, email list gets 10 times higher conversions than social media campaigns. Let's get started with setting up a fresh account with Mailchimp for your business. One might get confused about whether to go for a free Mailchimp account or a paid one. The answer is you can start with a free account, as it is easy to upgrade from a free to a paid account after you reach 2,000 plus subscribers. Nevertheless, you can do many more things with a free account, such as inbox preview, delivery by time zone, more audience, etc. Secondly, let's set up your audience email list. As soon as you sign up for Mailchimp, it automatically generates an audience based on the setup details you have provided. It allows you to modify the default settings for your audience if necessary. Furthermore, you can import bulk contacts from any other source. This is the list of the audience with whom you will share all your content with. Moreover, as your small business and content evolve, so will this email list. Check out how easy it is to creating a free landing page. In order to attract more subscribers, your business will require a website with a well set up landing page. Through an excellent landing page, you can capture visitor contact information. This way you can further build your audience list, email list. For creating a landing page, navigate to the option Create. Select the option Landing Page. The next step is to provide a name for the landing page and specify the audience list. You will only have one with the free plan. Further, select a pre-existing template of your choice and get started. You can edit and customize the page's look, content, style and design by simply using the drag and drop block builder. After you finish all the editing and once you are satisfied, you can publish your new landing page. Afterwards, you only need to share the URL of the landing page with the intended individuals through social media or any other medium, and start capturing visitor contact information and build your audience. Now we will see how to manage your email marketing campaigns. Mailchimp allows you to manage all your marketing campaigns under the Campaign tab. To set up an email marketing campaign, select the email option under the Create option. Here too, you have to provide a name for your email marketing campaign. After you have specified the recipient list, specify your name as the sender along with the domain name, i.e. email address. You can also add a compelling subject line for an email so that the audience is compelled to open your email. Similar to the landing page editing, you can also customize your email template. Meanwhile, Mailchimp also allows you to send welcome emails to new subscribers. Now I will show you how easy it is building a free Mailchimp website. If you don't have a pre-existing website, you can create one with Mailchimp for free. To simply do this, go to the website option, provide a name for the website, and then click on Edit Website. You can set up a multi-page website, customize the style, feel, content, and overall design of the website to ensure your new website resonates with your brand and business. Finally, let's find details about Mailchimp pricing. Mailchimp is by far the most accessible email marketing provider out there. It is the only email marketing provider that offers a free plan for up to 2,000 email subscribers. And that alone has been a huge driver of its success with so many small businesses and non-profits. A few of its advanced functionality is only available for paid customers, but even then it's still quite accessible. For up to 500 subscribers, for example, you pay only $10 per month to access the paid features. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Then please like this video, and if you have any questions, ask me in comment section so I can answer them. Thank you.